Hey guys, I'm Ariana if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. And you can go ahead and hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's video, I'm going to be cutting my bangs. I'm going to be cutting bangs. I don't have bangs. I'm going to cut bangs. I'm getting bangs now. I watched Brad Mondo's bang tutorial and I feel pretty confident, kind of. Does it really matter? I don't go anywhere. I watched this video from Brad Mondo, okay, and he went in depth on how to cut bangs yourself at home, and that is what I'm gonna do. So let me show you guys what my hair looks like right now. Also, I will be filming a TikTok at the same time. So this is my hair right now. It is just very bland. It's also dirty. I just feel like it's super blunt and there's really nothing going on. So I decided that I want bangs and we're gonna go ahead and do that today. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow Brad Mondo's tutorial basically. So I have my wide tooth comb, have my razor. This is a facial razor, but this is the only razor I have. I feel like this is good enough. It looks pretty similar to the razor that he had. He said not to use scissors for curtain bangs, which is what I'm going for. I'm going for curtain bangs, okay? I'm not doing like fringe or like bangs. Okay, I have my smaller comb. I'm just gonna try and do it without using clips. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out all of the knots from my hair. I also want to mention that my hair is dirty and he said he would like it on clean, dry hair. So my hair is dry, but it's not clean and I was planning on washing it, but I decided to cut it first. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna get rid of my part here and I'm just gonna bring everything to the front. Hair is pretty dry. It's just like oily at like the scalp area and I really hope that that isn't a problem. Also, my hair is naturally straight, so this is like literally how my hair is when it dries by itself. So I can't see anything. I guess I'll... Is that too far? And he said we're going from the tail of the eyebrow up to the top. Alright, while your hair is forward. So we're doing it from the top to the end of your eyebrow, which is over here. So I'm going to start from here and we're going to bring it down to the end of the eyebrow, which is like here. And that is my triangle. That makes more sense than what I was doing before. Alright, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm so sorry, my hair is disgusting right now. So the end of my eyebrow is here. So we're going to start from the same place, which is here. Alright, now we have our little triangle going on here. If I can see it, yes. Yes, so this is the triangle we have going on. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the back and tie it away. But we're just going to start here.
So that is the sectioning, and if you're like, well, Brad, that's a really thick sectioning.
Okay, and then he said to go ahead and comb it through and then part it where you normally part it. So I'm just going to do it in the middle. And I'm just going to take this side and clip it away for now. Okay, so I have this section. I'm going to go ahead and comb it through and we're going to hold it really tight. He said to start at like the corner of the nose. So this is going to be like the shortest piece right here. And then we're just going to go in like a diagonal going down. So we're going to go ahead and start doing it. Okay, so I made the first initial little cut. Alright, I'm going to comb it out and see what's going on over here. Alright, it came out a little bit shorter than where my nose is at, but we're just going to keep getting longer from here. I'm just going to keep going down in like a diagonal. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I feel like it's super thin but that's fine, I guess. And I think I'm good with this raggedness, this jaggedness that's going on. It doesn't look that bad for like flowing together pretty okay. We're gonna go ahead and start the other side. All right, now we have to make this even. So I'm gonna start by combing it out again. I feel like it would have been easier with clean hair because it's just like bending in ways that it wants to. So I'm going to start at the same place, which is gonna be right here. And I'm gonna cut it a little bit lower than the other side because I feel like it's just gonna bounce back up. And we're just gonna go ahead and so this part, oh, this is so annoying because I can't see shit. This side is a little bit longer than this side, but we're going to continue. Okay, and this area is thicker than this area, so we gotta fix that. I'm gonna go back in. I guess this has to go too. I look ridiculous because my hair looks disgusting. Alright, so I'm gonna comb it back one more time. And we're just gonna make sure that everything matches up. So I'm gonna take the middle, which is like right here, and I'm gonna comb them together and make sure that they are the same size. Middle ones do look like they're the same length. I just need to make a little bit shorter. Okay, and I actually really like how like it's just flowing here and it doesn't look that bad. The only thing is I feel like this side looks thicker than this side. And I don't know why that is. Maybe it's just because I think I put more hair from this section in this part, so I think I'm going to take it down and add a little bit more hair. So it was from here, just like this little section right here. So I'm just going to tilt my head forward again and then just kind of get them to be as even as possible. Alright, I think these two are pretty even. Alright, so that was it. And now I have curtain bangs! Oh my god, my hair looks gross right now, but I'm actually pretty happy with how this looks. Oh my god. So I definitely need some layers here, but I feel like I'm not going to do that yet. I probably will do that after I wash my hair because that part I'm pretty afraid of, which is a little bit stupid. Oh my god. I actually like this. Keep in mind my hair is not styled at all. It is super dirty and oily, but if this is what I look like with dirty, oily hair, I'm not that mad. I feel like I will never keep them as straight and curt and oily like this ever, so this is how it looks in its like starkness. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and I'm gonna fix myself up and not look like a bum, and we're gonna see the final result. I'll be right back. So I finished washing my hair and I realized that I had a lot of dandruff in my hair before I washed it, and I washed it now, okay? I'm not dirty. My hair is just like, can we normalize dandruff? Okay, so this is how it came out after I blow dried it and kind of styled it. So it was looking really good after I washed it when it was air drying, and then I had to use my little headband to do my makeup, and then like the bangs kind of deformed itself. But then I blow dried it and this is what it's looking like. So it's like a really cute fringe, and I'm actually really happy with it. And the length of it is perfect because I really wanted it to be pretty long. It is getting in my eyes a little bit and I have to get used to that. Beauty's pain. I really like it on this side as like a side curtain bang moment, which is what I was going for. I feel like I would have to like make it swoop like that by styling it, but I actually just kind of made it go forward. So that's my fault, but it's definitely capable of doing the little side swoop just like this, that curtain bang moment, because this is exactly how it looked when it was air drying, and then I just messed that up with my headband. But I actually really like how it came out. I think it looks super cute, especially with like the blonde that I have going on in the right areas, and I'm very happy with it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I don't even feel like it looks butched or even like jagged around the edges. Even if I do put it in front of my face, like it doesn't look bad or like uneven. I'm like 100% sure that this side is a little bit longer than this side, but I really don't care. I think it looks fine, and I definitely don't want to go back in with my razor or some scissors, so I'm happy. But definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments. That was it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on my social medias. I did make a TikTok of doing this while I was doing it, so you guys can check that out on TikTok. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!